Yeah, yeah, really have to watch him. He really, and he moves so fast.
Yeah.
You know, you can just wink and he's in another spot. Just
Come
watch
on
him,
up,
okay?
Joshua.
Okay, darling, say hello to your friend.
Okay.
Yeah, make sure that,
And A.J. Burnett on the mound, a 6'4" right-hander out of North Little Rock, Arkansas. Alan James Burnett and one of the...
Are you stuck, Joshua? Come on out.
Sabathia, Teixeira, and Burnett. A.J. unquestionably had the lowest impact. As he won his 13 games, they were probably expecting more like 17 or 18, but there is no denying his talent.
Well, he struggled during the month of August. He was winless.
How are you stuck? Hello?
Hi, yeah?
Oh, sorry. I hung up accidentally. What were you saying at the end?
Yeah. So he's okay?
Yeah, he's fine.
Alright.
Okay, bye.
Did I stay home tonight?
I don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, well,
bye.
take it easy. We'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
You stuck? You want your help?
Sort of a change-up as well. He has them all going. He can